Hello everyone, in this video I am going to make a screencast of how to make a screencast. So I'm going to record myself making the screencast, so if you didn't quite get the steps in the in-service or if you didn't have your computer, you can see the steps again if you like. So it's a three-step process. The first step is start a program called QuickTime, which you have on your Mac, and to start recording the screen. So it's pretty simple. What takes time is organizing the content, exactly what you want to say and so forth. Once that's done, you upload that to YouTube so that it's shareable to the world through the internet with a link. And then step 3 is to actually get that link and post it to CoverView or email it or whatnot. So that's a three-step process. So I'll walk you through each step. So step 1, if you go to the spotlight or the magnifying glass here, or basically search, and type in QuickTime, which I just had, if I can type, I can start the QuickTime program, which is right here. And if you notice in the file menu, there are 3 choices for something new. I can create a new movie recording, a new auto recording, or a new screen recording. So a movie is using the camera to actually film your face like we saw in service. Audio is recording your voice only. And screen recording is recording anything you do on the screen and your voice. So that's the one I'm going to choose. So let me go back down here. I'll click that option. And what will pop up will be a rectangle here. That's when I press the red button, will start recording. There are some options you can choose here for where the microphone is and the quality. Okay, I'll leave it the defaults there. So when I click this, it'll start recording. When I do that, you won't see this black rectangle because I'm actually making a recording of a recording, but you will still see this. And so when you want to stop the video, you come back here and click the button. Again, you won't see it because of the way I'm doing this, but it will be on your screen. So I'm going to click it to start recording. It says, do I want to record the full screen or a part of the screen? I usually do just part of the screen. I'll move my mouse to the upper left hand corner and just drag down so you can see by the highlight what part I'm going to record. Then I actually start recording right there. So I'm actually recording using that QuickTime software. Now, so once you're recording, you can do things like updating documents. So I'm recording now. Or I can go down here and maybe have a couple web pages open and talk about some things. So I want to take a look at some Impressionist art right here. Modern French art. Maybe I want to take a look at string theory, which is physicists think we live in a 12 or 13-dimensional world. Maybe go to Italy and take a look at a map. Okay, or maybe visit Amazon and take a look at the tablet that I use. This is the tablet that I said that wasn't free. It's about 80 bucks. And it comes with a piece of software called Elements, Photoshop Elements, which is the drawing program, which is how I write on the screen. So instead of using my mouse to draw on the screen, I use this pen on the tablet to draw on the tablet, which becomes my writing tool. Again, it's on the screen, so it's all recorded. So you can do things like this: visit web pages, talk about things, discuss things, bring up your own pieces of literature, analyze them, look at maps and whatnot. So once you're done, and again, your black rectangle should be on your screen. You don't see mine because I'm recording a recording, but I'm going to stop it. And when I stop it, it creates a file that says untitled here. You can see that's untitled. Let me close this thing here. Untitled. And so this is my video, and if I play it. Now, so once you're recording, you can do things like updating documents. So I'm recording now. Or I can go. So that's the video that I just recorded. Okay, so that was step 1. Create your screencast. Step 2 is to now upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to show you how to upload it to YouTube. And luckily, it's built right into the program itself or the file itself. There's a little arrow here. That's basically share. So I'll click it, and you have a couple different options. I like YouTube. So I'm going to YouTube. I have a YouTube account. So if we all have Gmail accounts, we have a YouTube account because they're linked together. It's a Google thing. And my username and password I'll type in. Password. Okay, and it asks you for a couple things. So I'm going to go with education. Title is creating a screencast. The description is required. I'm just going to creating a screencast. And the tag is screencast. Okay, and you can make it personal, or you can let everybody see it. I usually just let everybody see it. Don't have to worry about accessing things. If students have to log in to see videos, then they're less likely to do it. So I just open up to everybody. Click next. Do I agree with the terms of service? I'll say share, and it will then start to publish to YouTube. So right now it's uploading the video to YouTube. And it's going to process it. So the publishing takes a minute, then it'll process it. That takes a couple more minutes. You can see there a couple more, no more than 10 usually, for about a 5-minute video. I try to keep my videos to 5 minutes. So I'll let that simmer there. Now, in my YouTube account, okay, so this is my actual YouTube account. You have all your videos. So the one I just made is not here yet, okay? But once it is here, it'll appear in this list. And if I click on one like this, then I can, and I'll stop it. Once I do that, I can click on the share button. This is step 3. And it creates a link that I can post in, that I can copy and paste into CubView, cut and paste it into an email, cut and paste it into a website. So I can take this and paste that link in. So that's how I can share it with the world. So once you are logged in, you'll see your videos under the video manager, and then you can, and here's the one I just made. It's now processing, so it's been uploaded to YouTube, and now it's processing. And once it's there, I can go ahead and grab that link and paste it into CubView. So those are the 3 steps on creating a screencast: starting QuickTime and recording the screen, uploading to YouTube, which is built right into that little share icon, that upward pointing arrow. And once it's there, you grab a link and you can post that in CubView or email it or whatnot. So if you have more questions, feel free to ask, but those are the steps on how to create a screencast.